Hello everyone, this period of plant protection small classroom to explain the remote control function keys. From left to right, we will introduce the common button definitions of the remote control. The remote control buttons are mainly distributed in the front, back and upper plane. The upper left corner of the front is the return button. Short press the return button. The remote control screen page returns to the previous page. On the right of the return button is the mode switching key. The aircraft mode can be switched in the S/G gear. G mode is GPS mode. S mode is attitude mode. And the switch must be ensured in the position of G during flight operations. Right below the left rocker is the smart return button. Long press the smart return button 5S or more. The aircraft will automatically return. The L1 button is the AB point operation mode button. The L2 button is the ground radar switch button. The button in the upper right corner is not used yet. Below the right rocker is the power button. Long press the switch button to shut down or restart the remote control. Short press the remote control to turn off the screen. And press the button twice in the shutdown state to display the current battery level of the remote control. The R1 R2 buttons are not available for use yet. The button with the small nozzle logo on the right side of the upper plane is the on and off button for spraying and spreading, and the roller button next to it, and the button on the left are not open yet. The one on the back of the remote control is the recording point A. B2 is used for recording point B with the L1 button. The above is all the content of this small class. Pay attention to the extension channel to unlock more plant protection skills.